and what I'm trying to do here is making a YouTube channel for my journey. I'm in US, pursuing my master's in computer science from Cleveland State University, which is in Cleveland, Ohio. And I'm recording. I'm starting recording these videos just to share my journey of how I learned to code. I used to do this Leetcode and everything, but I'm starting again. So today I'm going to solve this problem, which is called as minimum operations to make an array equal. I'm not gonna edit these videos because I want my videos to be as raw as possible. I want to fumble and show you guys how I solve or think through a problem. Let's get started. This was just a quick intro of what we will be doing on this channel. Okay, let's get started. You have an array of length n where array of I is going to be 2 multiplied by I plus 1, which is going to be odd numbers. When you put 2 multiplied by I, let's say I is 1, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 1, which is 3. If you put 0, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, then plus 1. So according to the indexes, which starts at 0, obviously, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, indexes, I'm talking about indexes here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll get odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, and 7. And the value of I is going to be between 0 and n. In one operation, what we have to do here is we can perform two operations. We can either add 1 or subtract 1 from the numbers we have. So what we are going to do here is, and again, the result should be an equal array. Let's say we have odd numbers 1, 3, 5, size is given 3. So we have to create this array on our own, and then we have to make this array equal to this. That means all the elements should be equal. It's distributed, like 2 can go here, it will become 3, it will be 3. We have to make all of these 3, adding 2 here, subtracting 2 here, like that. So what we are going to do here is hints. Build the array using the formula target. Okay, again, if we have an array 1, 3, 5, and if we sum it up, it will be 9. And if we floor division it by 3, that's going to be 3. And we need an array like this. Sum is equals to 9. This is just to verify that we can get the target just by adding the array and dividing it by n. It's pretty obvious actually. Now I'm going to take a variable multiplier, make it 1. I'm doing this just to create the array. Creating my array here. This is an empty list for I in range of the number we have. We remember, we don't have the list. We are creating array first, and then we are going to do something on it. And one more thing, on this channel I'm just trying to solve and understanding questions and trying to solve this in front of you guys. I'm not going to show most optimized answers, but my approach is going to be very simple that you can explain in an interview, because I'm preparing for interviews. So my approach is going to be very simple, raw, and you can optimize it if you want. You can find another videos which are quite optimized. But what I'm going to do here is show most simple solutions that anyone who is starting to code can understand. This is a problem from Leetcode monthly challenge. They give challenges daily. If you want to, you can start any month. Like I'm doing this April month this time. Now, enough of my talking. What I'm going to do here is sum my array up. When we have the sum, we can get the target. Target is going to be sum divided by 2, and then we can take a result as 0 for now. Okay, now we have the target. Here we have the array. Let's say we got n as 3, so we have our array 1, 3, and 5. Then we have the target 2. Now what we have to do is we have to check if this target, let's say my target is 4. 4 is my target is 3, right? Yes, my target is 3. So 3 subtracted by the first number in the array, that is 1, and then 3 subtracted by 3, and then 3 subtracted by 5. So this is going to be 2, this is going to be 0, this is going to be minus 2. But we are not going to consider minus because that's already here counted. What we can do is we can only add one or delete one. So we are already counting here two operations, so we are not going to count these because it's going at the same time. You have to do these operations at the same time on two numbers. So if it's going to if it's subtracting, it is already counted, so we are not going to count the negative numbers here. So the total number of operations we used are going to be 2. So to write this condition for a in array that we created, if target subtracted by a, that is going to be the element from list. If it's greater than 0, then we are going to add it to the result. And then return our output. If it's negative, we are not going to count it. Let's see. It's already accepted. I'm doing it just again just to make this video. This is my first time. I don't know if I'm doing good or not, or even if I'm explaining it right. Yes, my answer is 4 and expected answer is 2. Okay, what is happening here? Let me check what I did wrong. Oh, that is correct. That is correct. What am I doing wrong here? Target subtracted by. Okay. I'm dividing it by 2, but it should be divided by n. Like, see, like this, you can always make mistakes, even if you have solved the question. Okay, it got accepted. I hope you like this video. I'll try to post more videos, make more videos on this kind of question, and I'll share more tips, more things I learned through the way, learning about interviews, how can you prepare for interviews, and my end goal is going to be getting a job in a FANG company or working for a FANG company, whatever. So this is my first video. I'm going to start my journey through this video, and I'll see you again. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'm not going to edit it, so if you get any blabbering in between, I'm sorry. I'll see you guys again.